Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel End of Ignorance. Friends, have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how clouds form? I think every person must have thought about this sometime in their life. Well, keeping this thought in my mind, today I am going to show you a super cool experiment that will help you understand the science behind it. So, why to wait? Let's get started. Friends, in order to conduct this experiment, we will need a few materials. These materials include water, a transparent bottle, a matchstick, and a small piece of paper. Now that we have all the necessary materials, let's move on to the first step of experiment. Fill the bottle with water and shake it vigorously. The paper present here should be folded before being light on fire using matchsticks. Make sure the paper is extinguished before dropping it inside the bottle with the burning paper. Now to get the smoke out of the bottle, push it. Continue doing this until the bottle is empty of all smoke. Now once the bottle is smoke free, securely screw on the cap. With a single swift motion, push the bottle. The bottle's air should be compressed. You will notice that the air within the bottle becomes hazy after release. Now that the bottle has been opened and gently pressed, you can see a little quantity of fog or a mist emerging from it. Well friends, it is an adiabatic technique whereby gas is suddenly compressed and heated. Through the evaporation of water, this creates a cloud. Here, the rapid compression causes a rise in temperature which leads in evaporation. When the bottle is opened, the released vapor condenses on dust and smoke particles to create clouds. Now friends, maybe a question would come in your mind that what is an adiabatic process? Okay, let me understand you in a simple way. An adiabatic process is a thermodynamic process in which no heat is exchanged between the system and its surroundings. In addition to it, I would like to say that when I compressed the air inside the bottle, I worked on the air, which increased its internal energy. This caused the temperature of the air to increase. However, if the process is adiabatical, no heat is transferred between the air inside the bottle and its surrounding. In this case, the compression process is close to adiabatic, since the heat transfer from your hand to the air is relatively small compared to the internal energy of the air. However, the increase in temperature from compressing the bottle actually caused some of the water molecules in the air to evaporate, as the warmer air can hold more water vapor than the cooler air. Now, when you release your hand from the bottle, the air inside the bottle rapidly expands, causing the pressure and temperature to decrease. This decrease in temperature can cause the water vapor to start condensing into visible droplets, which is what forms the cloud. So in a bottle experiment, adiabatic cooling is the key process that causes the water vapor inside the bottle to condense and form a visible cloud. Friends, by understanding the principles behind the cloud in a bottle experiment, we can better appreciate the complexity of the water cycle and the role that clouds play in this process. Moreover, we can use this knowledge to better understand and predict changes in our climate and weather patterns, which can have important implications for our environment and society. Apart from this, I also want to add one more thing, that this experiment is relevant to atmospheric science. Friends, thank you for watching this cloud in a bottle experiment video. If you found it informative and entertaining, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future videos. Thank you. Dhanyawad.